we have kept 10 types of Rubik's cubes. All are jumbled according to WCA format. Now Jaswin Devisetti is going to solve all these 10 cubes. Simultaneously, he will identify Asian countries' flags and their capital cities. Are you ready, Jaswin?
Yes.
Timer on. This flag belongs to which country?
Afghanistan, Kabul.
This flag belongs to which country?
Bangladesh, Dhaka.
This flag belongs to which country?
Bhutan, Thimphu.
This flag belongs to which country?
China, Beijing.
This flag belongs to which country?
India, New Delhi.
This flag belongs to which country?
Indonesia, Jakarta.
This flag belongs to which country?
Iran, Tehran.
This flag belongs to which country?
Iraq, Baghdad.
This flag belongs to which country?
Japan, Tokyo.
This flag belongs to which country?
Kuwait, Kuwait City.
This flag belongs to which country?
Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
This flag belongs to which country?
Myanmar, Naypyidaw.
This flag belongs to which country?
Nepal, Kathmandu.
This flag belongs to which country?
North Korea, Pyongyang.
This flag belongs to which country?
Oman, Muscat.
This flag belongs to which country?
Pakistan, Islamabad.
This flag belongs to which country?
Philippines, Manila.
This flag belongs to which country?
Turkmenistan, Ashgabat.
This flag belongs to which country?
Uzbekistan, Tashkent.
This flag belongs to which country?
Vietnam, Hanoi.
This flag belongs to which country?
Amman, Sana.
This flag belongs to which country?
Afghanistan, Kabul.
This flag belongs to which country?
Bangladesh, Dhaka.
Stop. Timer. These are all the solved cubes. I will correct. Stand this. Okay. From different directions. I think it got solved less than 440 approximately.